by the streams of Babylon. We sat and wept when remember Zion, only a space of that land. We hung up our harps. Let my tongue be silenced if I ever forget you. For there are captors asked of us the lyrics of our songs, and our despoilers urge us to be joyous. Sing for us the songs of Zion. Let my tongue be silenced if I ever forget you. How could we sing song of the Lord in a foreign land if I forget you, Jerusalem? May my right hand be forgotten. Let my tongue be silenced if I ever forget you. May my tongue cleave to my phallus if I remember you now. If I place not Jerusalem ahead of my joy,